on me. Ah! Fancy coming cow rustling without no worries. Hey. So yesterday's video went alright, I think. Managed to get it uploaded. I did put some music on the time lapse that YouTube didn't like, so hey, well, never mind. But we'll try again, no time lapse today. And yeah, so we're going to get these cows in. It's been decided. I'm going to take this big trailer off here, put the little trailer on. Turbines are going well, so we'll get cracking and we'll go and see if we can find these cows. They're on a big field, probably 100 acre I reckon now, maybe not big, 60 acre, in fairly remote location. So we'll get going, we'll take it off. Oh, I'll just show you this as well. This is why I'm leaving this trailer here. Cows have been at the wires for the trailer and they've managed to chew through them all, so we've got no lights for the back of the trailer. So that's going to be a job this week to find out where that goes, put it all back together, new plug on it, new wire on it. Ugh. Not leaving it field again. So for everyone who kind of doesn't really know about tractors that much, thought I'd give it a little explanation. So the actual drawbar itself drops out down from this body. There's these big hooks here, they hook into here, and then this is on a cable, it's on the other side, so you can pull that from the cab. And these link bars are attached to these link arms, so if you lift the link arms up, release the hooks, and then the hook actually comes down. And then we've got 5 lines in here. This is for the brakes, it's connected to the brake system on the tractor. Goes to the back brakes on the trailer. These two here on the purple spool, there for the back tailgate, for it to go up and down. And then this one on the blue is to actually tip the trailer. But then the weight of the trailer puts all the hydraulic oil back through there. So we get all this lot off. We're only on just quick release couplings. You just push and pull that, can't do it with one hand. And then these, quite simple, just push that lever back and then pull it out. And same with these two, push that lever, pull that. Well, I'll try it with one hand, I don't think I can. Oh, no way. And just like that, it's off. Nice little compartment to keep all the pipes off the floor. What we need to do now, change that below bar out from the hook. Luckily, these control the link arms, so you can control that from the back mud guards. That starts the PTO, which you probably don't want to do. And then these are hydraulics, and they work on this orange spool. There's a lever up there, so you can either have it on the spools there, or a nifty little trick on it, send the drawbar out. So I just need to take that hook out now, and we'll change it so that we can get this cattle trailer on. All it is just a pin. Flick that pin out, and then that slides out, just like that. And then round here, pull out there. The next one already on. And it weighs an absolute ton. Goes back in, like that. And then we take that. Oh God, landed. Ah, hey. That, we'll just slide in here. Like that, you can have it right at the back and that's in, but I generally stick it on this one because I like it far off the tractor. Slide it back in. Lift links up. Hang on, I'll just show you this and then you can, you'll see this pin going if you can get it. See that up down there. There you go. Right. Boom, locked. Happy days. Oh, here's the ball. Quenches this thing. Now this just unscrews. Rolls in there. Tighten the nut up. Pin goes in bottom so the nut doesn't come off and the trailer doesn't come out. Ready to go. Right, this is how we drop it. So this controls the link arms. You just spin it. Then that pulls it all the way to the top. You got to pull this lever and then turn the knob, and then that lets the hitch go down. And then as we had outside, had a blue spool and an orange spool, so this controls the draw bar to go out, so we can send that out. Then this lever controls the other spools, which you don't need at the minute. All we need to do is just get that ball hitch lined up with that trailer somehow. Move it up a little bit. Yeah, we can get it better than that. He says. There we go. Bob on. Bob on is that. Bob on. Alright, you see how drawbar sticking out there. Uncle it. Put that links up. Nope. Finned out, jump on it. There we go. Take handbrake off. We'll stick safety cable around there. That's it, all done. I just thought this weather, what are we in? End of August. T-shirt, jumper, coat, and it's like it's November. Horrendous, horrendous. Right, we'll go get some diesel in this tractor, I think, because we're on fumes. I've roped in the kids and the missus today because these cows love the kids and missus, so I'm hoping that that's going to be on our plus side, and because they generally go up and feed them, so hopefully that's going to be on the plus side and they'll help them bring them in. You're filling that up at petrol station, it costs you white diesel about 750 quid. Secret little weapon for getting the cows in. So we just made it down to the field and then we've got a fairly harsh track to get up onto where they are. So we'll film it anyway. This one doesn't want to be on. So we'll film it anyway. Going up this track is a bit, it's a bit onerous and a bit hard. There you go. Put this on somewhere. Oh, put on the dash. Oh yeah, look at that. Hold on, it's gonna get bumpy.
What's the video going to be? Cow wrangling.
Yeah, it could be called cow wrangling.
Cow wrangling. Bringing cows back to their home. Cow wrangling, episode 2, season 3. Bringing cows back to their home.
This is where it's gonna get bumpy.
Hold on. I'll put my head against the window so it don't smack against the window. I need to do this so it don't smack against the window.
I won't put your head against the window.
Why? It'll hurt even more.
Because it'll hurt even more when you eat it.
Because I hit it like 10 times. Like every time.
Oh, I can see cows.
Wow.
I can see cows.
I can't come running toes.
Right up on the top up there.
Oh yeah. Come on, don't stop.
I'm going to run it over.
Don't run her over.
You're right, ready for coming in. Hey, loves it.
Look how big it is,
Don't he'll jump up at pickup.
Well, where am I supposed to put it?
Eh?
Where am I supposed to put it?
I don't know. Hey. Eh? Well, go on, just get him in anyway. Are you up and hang on. Oh, just take that.
Take that out.
Yeah, just need to take that petition out. How about that for a cow? Loads itself. Have you got a bit more in another bucket, Lee? Just throw some in here. Just throw some in it. Go, come. Hey, no. These two just walk in. Easy.
Can't do it by myself.
Come. Hey. Yeah, it should do. Good. You know what, Matt? We might be able to take him down to the penny. Come on. There's too many here. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. I'll stuff you. You can stop out then. Go on. Go on. Yeah, that's... Come in, Pem.
Are we leaving that one in?
Well, we've got one anyway.
Easiest one.
Well, we did get one in, but we decided to lay back out because we need to get them all in now. Ours have come away, these three of ours have come away from the rest of the herd. So there's a little pen down here, so we're going to try and get them in, but they're all just running around like maniacs at the minute. But they are pretty good ours because we feed them quite a bit, so they will follow us. So we'll see what happens when we get them down into this pen, hopefully. They want to go in, one of them we'll just walk in trailer. As soon as anyone walks in trailer, it'll follow fork in, but it's just the other two that's going to be a pain in the ass. What? You think? Don't know. What do you reckon?
Where are we checking them?
Brightcliff.
Check Brightcliff, not Walton.
No, we ain't got in. No, you've got to put a lot of electric fencing up if we do, so can't be asked. You just want to go down, stand down that side of the gate, Pete. Go on, hey, go on. Go on, go on.
Which one first? This one?
Yeah. Easy peasy. That's one up. See if the little lass can do it. Go on, pull. Pull. Pull that top bit. No, that, yeah, pull. No, now you've locked it. Pull. No, this side, this side. Come on, girl. There you come. Whoa, where are you going?
I don't know.
Right, bad outfit to flies on me. Bad outfit to the two. Your camera on.
I'm here today with my
Do his own videos. Eh? Plenty of flies down here, isn't there?
Why don't you pretend?
Go.
27 on one side of the
Come on. Come on.
Come on, girls. Away, away, away. Lie down.
Go on, Al, go and chase some cows out. No, they don't bury yourself in there with no wellies on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Side down.
Yeah. Go on. Go on. This is going to be awkward, isn't it? Yeah, Nan's hold that gate.
Oh, she's gonna go.
Go on.
Take it out, she didn't open that door then.
Go on. Hey. In that gap, so you don't run out. Go up. Go up. Go up. No. Go on. Go on. Hey. Go on. Yep, go on. Go on, Nani. Oh, it's all right.
You want to stand there, Luke? You don't got well, no.
Fancy coming cow rustling without no ways. Hey. 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 Go on. Go on. You can't come down here. Go on. You have to turn around, you silly thing.
Well, if you just want to stand on that top.
Go on. Just go in the frigging trailer. Go on, go on. Hey! It's always worse one, that one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't push it.
Sorry, I thought you'd done it.
See, Dibba.
Said to Matt, you need to get your video set up before you really.
Yeah, I know, that's it, yeah. It was really odd. Well, that was easy. Not. Right, that's it. All done. Cows are where they're meant to be. Been a muddy and eventful day. So, yeah. This one was going to finish the video, but she wimped out. But hope you liked it. Tomorrow I'm going over to Scunthorpe, like I said in the other video. I'm going to do some 2-lead sumps. So we'll go into a bit of detail with that, what we're doing there. Wednesday, I'm stopping there Tuesday night. Wednesday, I've got a progress meeting over in Scunthorpe as well. So we'll show a bit more for that. So yeah, we'll just see how the week gets on. But yeah, don't forget, if you want to comment, Phil, I'm not interested in about cows. I want to see more restoration work or whatever. Let us know what you want and we'll see what we can do. See you later.